2. We got a father and son battle to start us off. We have Ryan in the blue Bayou versus Ryder in the red Granite. Drivers ready. Watch the light. Let's see the start of these two cars on the power. The all that tire goes with the Ryder. And we'll keep that blue Bayou. Alright, cameras are ready. Cameras are ready. Watch the light. Holding off on kick the win. Staging right now. Britain's already staged in the blue lane. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Very good start from you. Good luck to Britain when you started this morning. You will come down to the Stellar.
Drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light. Drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light.
That's the song. Alright. Cameras are ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the light. Oh, Martin's up on the rig. We got blue Bayou with a solo run. Taking it nice and easy through the track. And that blue Bayou is going to move to the semifinals. Alright. Cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Got 2 wheels on the stop. Troy's going to take that on penalty. Alright, so we got Jacobs standing in for Ben versus Ben. We got Bigfoot 1 versus Cox. Cameras are ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. He's good for Bigfoot. Hang in there though. Watch the car a little bit. And the Fox.
I tried. Dude, you did really good this year.
Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers are already ready. Watch the light. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the light. Oh, penalty for blue Bayou. Totally awesome. Take it in. Alright, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Oh, Bigfoot rolls it. Then the Fox will go to the finals. Okay, Cameras are ready.
All right, this is your open class, or Power Hobbies open class bracket number 2 finals. Drivers, are you ready? We'll watch the light. Two wheels for the Fox. Oh yeah, keep it clean, take home the win.